to turn on two-step verification or authentication on Fiverr. If you would like to turn on two-step verification or authentication on your Fiverr on your very Android device or your mobile device, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you have downloaded or installed the Fiverr application on your mobile device. After that, on your mobile device, you need to go to the search section there. After you go to the search section, you have to search Fiverr there. You can directly search there, and when you find the option of Fiverr, you have to tap on this. After you tap on Fiverr, your very Fiverr application will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the account section on the down right. When you tap on this is your profile section there, and you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is the option of preferences. You have to tap on the option of preferences. After you tap on the option of preferences, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of security and tap on security. After you tap on security, you can see an interface like this. Sometimes your multi-factor authentication may be turned off like this. Now you have to turn on the multi-factor authentication like this. After that, you have to go to the connected device and you have to see which connected device is there. Likewise, you also need to go and check the connected accounts, any of your Google account. Now whenever you are trying to sign in on your very Fiverr account from any of the device, the multi-factor authentication will be enabled and the two-step authentication or verification will come on the very connected device here and also the connected Google account here, and this way your very two-step verification or authentication will be enabled on Fiverr. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.